Keep it coming straight back. All right, hold it right there. That's good.
Easy now, clear on the left. Take this first pallet to Bay 4. Make sure the next batch is ready for inspection.
Careful with that load, watch the crates.
Bringing it to Station 2, clear the path.
Watermelons arrive at the station. Trained workers check each fruit. Supervisors monitor the strict standards. Only premium fruit tin use.
Automated scanners analyze every watermelon, displaying measurements in real time. This ensures accuracy critical for premium juice production.
Supervisors collect sample watermelons. Fruits are cut to evaluate flesh quality. Technicians record the sugar content. Bright red indicates excellent quality.
The flow rate looks consistent, and the concentration levels are holding steady. We are cleared for shipment.
Maintenance. Fresh water rinses away the remaining sanitizing solution from every watermelon. Multiple rows of spray jet. Open water move toward separation equipment where edible flesh is bleeded.
The flow rate seems stable at 500 liters per hour. Yes, and the consistency is perfect. We should maintain this level.
The yield is excellent on this batch.
Yes, the screens are vibrating perfectly. The quality is consistent.
Fine filtration removes small fibers. Multiple layers ensure a smooth texture. Sensors measure purity continuously. This
Check the pressure on line 4.
holding steady at 75 psi. Valves are cycling perfectly.
The consistency levels are stabilized across the board. Good.
Initiate the heat treatment sequence on tank 4.
Pasteurization complete. The temperature peaked exactly as required.
Affirmative. Juice is safe for long-term storage now.
Look at that drop, right on target. Yes, the circulation system is working perfectly. Quality preserved.
Inspection continues. Cameras check levels. Defective products are removed. Standards remain strict. Packaging begins. Precision robotics ensures seamless packaging. Every carton is carefully monitored to maintain daily production targets, yielding maximum.
Confirmed, the watermelon juice priority shipment goes to Bay 4.
Make sure the Route 7 truck is ready for immediate loading when it arrives. All right, bill of lading matches the manifest. Seal the trailer, we're ready for Route 3B. Confirmed. Loading now.
All right, seals match the paperwork. You are good to roll. Drive safe.
From the facility to the shelf, the journey of fresh watermelon reaches you. Pure, vibrant refreshment, perfect for the whole family.